how to add a Samsung Music playlist on the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen, and in here open up Samsung Music. Then you want to tap on Playlist tab at the top. So if you're on tracks or albums, you want to go to the top and then select Playlist. After that, tap on the Option key at the top, and from the pop-up menu, tap on Add Shortcut to Home Screen. In here, select a playlist that you would like to add to the home screen. For example, I'm going to add the playlist 001 to the home screen, and then tap on Add. Alright, now tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and in here, you can see a new shortcut has been created to that playlist. And if I tap on that playlist, that Samsung Music will immediately open up the playlist, and from there you can start to play your songs. And that's it. That is how you can add the playlist shortcut on the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.